Hello and welcome back, or if this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. Today, I'm going to show you something that is fun and is not always necessary or something that you have to do, but it does personalize your computer experience just a little bit. We are going to talk about how to create a unique and custom cursor. What I mean by this is you can take what you have now, which is this, and you can turn it into this. So if this sounds like something that can benefit you or something that you might enjoy, then let's start the clock and get started.
Using the saved JPG image, I am going to right-click and select Edit in Paint 3D. If you only have the original Microsoft Paint, then that is fine too. Now my image is visible in the Microsoft Paint tool and can be colored in. So I'm going to spend a few moments customizing my dog. Now that my dog is complete, I am going to save the image as a PNG. The next step is to remove the negative white space on my design. To do this, access Adobe's free background removal software and upload your image. Make any edits, then select the download option, specifically the option for transparent background. Now we need to convert the file from a PNG to a CUR file, so our computer will recognize the image as a cursor. To do this, locate a file conversion tool of your choice and upload your design, then select the CUR file type. Once completed, download the new file and navigate to your cursor settings by typing mouse in the Windows search box. Select pointer, then select browse. Now locate your CUR file and click apply. Now you've installed your new custom cursor.
As always, I greatly appreciate your time and willingness to want to enhance your digital literacy alongside technology. Again, my name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.